thought I'd do a unboxing video of the official Triumph tail tidy for the 2022 Street Triple RS, because when I was looking myself I could really only see videos on the Evotech version, so here it is. Obviously got the plate part, got the stumpy section, which is metal. Then you've got the extender, which I don't really want to use. You can just clip or screw on this section to then have it as a short tail tidy, which is what I intend to do. Got a bracket for the number plate. You've got the plastic for the LED light that goes on the top. Got the screws and washers. Then on this side, we've got, by the look of it, the LED light, bit here, which obviously goes inside that bit. Got the instructions. With the Triumph instructions, they always give you a QR code, so then you can actually go find the instructions online. Then you've got some reflective parts that obviously clip on. The reflective part that I've seen that people put on the side, again with the sticky patch. Another one for the other side. We've got some cable ties, some more bolts, and what looks like some Triumph badge tag. Don't know, to be honest. Oh, it's probably gonna hook round like that. Some cleaning stuff, some sticky bits, some more sticky bits, and some screws. So that's basically how the official Triumph tail tidy comes. If this video is any good, maybe I will either do a fitting video or a walk round video once it's on the bike. Thanks for watching.